You did a very nice job on that picture.
My name of my bird is a northern cardinal, and my bird lives in Kentucky. And the size of my bird is 8 to 9 inches. 8 to 9 inches. 5 to 23 centimeters. My bird eats seeds, insects. My bird lays 2 to 5 eggs. She lays them in a twig nest. And an interesting fact about my bird is that my bird lives in 8 states. 8